Hi everyone, in this video we will learn about app history of option of task manager. Here you can see which apps are used and what resources they are using. How much time it how much time it used CPU. 0.1 second it used CPU and Dropbox used zero point 0.1 above MB of your network. These things will show you uh, about the resources are being used. Think any app you have and it is pushing notifications, you can get here how much amount of notification it got pushed. It will show in MB, and you can see about these things only: CPU time and network and notifications. This is how you can use this app history. Even if you want, you can delete users history from here. See, everything got wiped. Now it will create new history from now on. Thank you for watching, guys.